Hey YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you some new natural hair products that I purchased, so keep watching if you want to see this video. Hey YouTube, I'm so excited to share with you the new hair products that I purchased for my natural hair. As you guys already know, I'm on a natural hair journey. I recently experienced damage to the ends of my hair due to swimming in the chlorine every single day. Exposing my precious hair to chlorine made caused the ends to start thinning, but I have a separate video on that and I'll put the link in the description. But I'm so happy to report that my hair is doing so much better because I found a way to not expose it to chlorine every day through a method of layering my swim caps. I've also been gradually cutting off my ends about 2 times a month so that as my hair is growing out, the ends that are damaged are coming off, and everything is working out pretty well. As you can see, check out my recent hair update video, which should be up by now. But I want to share with you some of these products that I purchased. Some I have used before, some I haven't, but basically yeah, let me just get into it and show you. So I decided to purchase some products by Aphogee. I've used Aphogee before. I've used the 2-minute Reconstructor, but I've never used the shampoo. So what's new from my Aphogee collection is shampoo for damaged hair, because when I saw, I don't know, I was like, why didn't I remember, like, as soon as I started experiencing the thinning of my ends from the chlorine, Aphogee. Like, I've used the 2-minute Reconstructor in the past and it has definitely helped me. A week and a half ago I used it because I had a little bit left and I noticed a big difference in my hair, so I said, you know what, I have to stock back up on the Apogee. So I've never tried this shampoo, so today I'm going to try it, and stay tuned for that video. I'm going to do a video using these two, but I have never tried the shampoo for damaged hair. So this one says that it gently cleanses damaged hair and helps restore its natural beauty. It contains rich proteins and conditioners which help repair and protect damaged areas and improve hair strength. So this sounds like definitely something my hair could use. So I'm so excited to try this and pair this up with this. I just know it's gonna be awesome. I'm excited. And I also purchased the Aphogee Keratin Green Tea Reconstructorizer. I always get that mixed up, but you guys have seen me do videos on this and I highly recommend this because it's like a protein boost after you wash your hair. If you're a person who your hair is like overly moisturized, then it will be limp, and this just helps to give it that strength that it needs. This has helped my hair tremendously. Like, before the damage to the ends, like, I was using this faithfully and I really like, I love this product because it has helped me to maintain my hair and help my hair to be strong, because I have highly porous hair, so I have issues with keeping the protein in. So this has helped a lot. So I'm like, let me re-up on this and keep using this, because again, as my hair is growing out and I'm cutting off those ends, I need to do everything to protect my new hair that's coming in. And I'm so excited because I will be using this. It's an oldie but goodie. I'll see if I can either do a separate video on it or link the one I did a couple years back. So now I thought about, like, you know, trying to recover from the damage from the chlorine. What are some of the products that I've used in the past that I stopped that I might need to start using again? So I was like, these two products, you've seen me do videos on them. It's the Sunny Isle Extra Dark Shampoo as well as the conditioner. You guys know, if you scroll through my videos, I love Sunny Isle. I had stopped using it because I used to find it at Target. No, I used to find it at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, but you know, I have not been going there since the pandemic. You know, my whole schedule changed and I have not been able to find it when I did go. So I was like, let me order these online. And guys, I love these products. So it's like, if it ain't broke, don't try to fix it. So I got the Extra Dark Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shampoo and the conditioner, which I love. They also make a deep conditioner, which I truly love. It is so good. I was making sure that I was still taping. And I also got by Sunny Isle This one I have never tried. It's the Sunny Isle Jamaican Black Castor Oil with Chevy powder. I've heard so many good things about the Chevy powder. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. Chebe, I'm not sure. But I've seen videos on how some of the women in Africa put it on their hair, and you see whatever, how it's grown or whatever. So I'm like, let me just try this, you know, try something new. I love castor oil. My hair loves castor oil. Castor oil is good for repairing and restoring and helping your hair to grow. So I'm like, let me try the one with the Chevy powder. So I'm excited to try this, and I'm definitely going to do a video on it. So look forward to my hair videos. I'm going to get them out for you. Okay, so one last product that I purchased was the Jamaican Black Castor Oil, another Sunny Isle product, the Pure Butter. I did a video on this butter. I love this butter. This is like if you're used to putting grease or pomade like back in the day, which I did, this is awesome, but it's castor oil in the form of a butter. Now, when I first tried this product, you can look at my old videos so you know that I am telling the truth. I love this butter, so it has been a staple in my stash. I had the let me show you what I had before. This is the one I had before, because I usually buy my products in bulk so that I don't run out, so that I just had I had stacks of product, like to the point where I had to throw things out that were expired, because I didn't really know that you can't, like, products had an expiration date. So someone told me, and I was like, oh. But yeah, I had 4 of these, the 4-ounce ones. And this is my last one, and look, it's gone. So I decided to reorder. I couldn't find the one. This is purple because it has lavender oil, which I love. They didn't have anymore, so I just got the regular one, which is still good. I can always just put lavender essential oil in it. But guys, I love this product. I have porous hair, so my hair tends to like thick products that coat the hair. Like, my hair loves it. I know everyone's hair doesn't love thick products. My hair loves thick products. So these are all the things that I purchased, and I will leave links in the description to all of these on my Amazon. Thank you to those who have been using my Amazon links, because I've been seeing a difference. Thank you so much. I didn't know that people were using my links until Amazon sent me like a message on you know, like what I earned from, because you get a small commission from the things that people buy that you refer. So I'm like, okay, that's okay. Thank you. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that I was able to help you. Please stay tuned for more videos of these individual products in depth. But thank you so much for watching. I love you all.